Hello, cloud enthusiast. Welcome to another video. It's a short video on the basics of doing S3 notifications and getting notifications on create objects, delete object, or whichever changes are made to your S3 bucket. So this is the simple way it looks. Whichever creation is done on the S3 bucket, then it will trigger the SNS topic, and I did an email subscription which will alert me via email whenever there is an object creation or deletion. Or whatever other things can also be set up to depending on the kind of alerts you want on your S3 bucket. So let's dive in. Just click on S3, maybe just create a new bucket for this walkthrough. So I'll call it average bucket. And some numbers just to make it unique. I don't need it to be secure per se. Create bucket. So this is the bucket I'm using, storage bucket. So there are a bunch of configurations you can do, but mainly to be event notification I'll be doing here. So I'll just call it notify event and just leave it so it can be on all events, maybe post, put, create, and all of that. I'll just say all object events, all objects create events and remove events. So even if an object is deleted, you'll also get a notification on that too. I don't need any of these other ones because I'm not doing any replication or life cycle rules or any of that too. So I actually want to send it to an SNS topic. So I need to head over and create an SNS notification for that. So a simple S3 notification topic next step. So it's just a standard. I'm not doing any F5. So I just copy this and paste it as a display name. Encryption no need. Access policy. I think I need to edit this access policy to allow S3 to be able to send it. So let me go through this. So that's allow. Let me see. Or instead, I can just create a new. I'll create a new policy for that. I want to quickly access the policy generator. Says and here is an SNS topic policy, and I want to allow. Let me just say allow, or usually is allow a particular service. So to publish to this topic. Create topic. I think it's just publish I need. So ARN, I need to give the ARN for this. So this is the ARN. Condition, I don't think I need any condition on this. So we just add statement. Okay, generate the policy. I'll copy this and access policy. Or just say, let me just make it simple here. Everyone. So now anyone can actually publish to this topic. And if you might want to also edit it here. So I think that's good for now. And I'll create a subscription and to just be email. For advanced techniques, you might do a subscription filter policy where you would use a JSON, some JSON statements to structure it in a way that only specific users will receive specific kind of information. But I'll be doing that, going through that now. Oh yeah, and I need to confirm this. So I need to confirm this subscription. So if you have been confirmed, so I think that's good to go. Once I get here, I should see yes, confirmed. So now that I've confirmed here, I think I can come back to my policy. I think I also need to do a policy for the S3 bucket. Or no, since I'm uploading it manually, the S3 bucket I'll just send it. So I don't need to actually do any policy. So let me just test this. Okay, I haven't created the event notification. I haven't specified the S3 SNS topic. So I'll have to reload. So instead of doing that, I'll just enter the SNS topic manually. And I'll get it from here, SNS notification, copy that. I'll paste that here. Save changes. I think that's good. Okay, so event notifications goes to the SNS topic. All objects create events, all objects removal events. So let me just test this. Uploading a file. Let me add the file. Let me just add this picture. Upload. So close. So now you can see that our bucket has an item. So I'll head over here, and here we're having notification. So this was a test event. It sends a test event on the notification just to make sure that everything is going on. And now we have the actual notification on the object I sent. So going through this, you see record, event version, event source, event time. These are information that you can just go through. So it's actually a way of verifying security. See the principal ID. If you have different buckets, you can also filter by a prefix. So if you just want a notification for a segment of the bucket, you can get notifications on that also. So this is for create. Let me delete it and see. Delete this object, and you also see a notification on that. Sorry, delete. So that will be permanently delete objects. Successfully delete, close. As you can see there, there's no object now. So coming back here, actually here, I have another notification. So this object removed, delete. To the principal ID, response element, the name of the bucket. So you can just follow through the key of the object that was deleted, image. So this was the name of the object, actual object that was deleted, and all of that. So this is a very good practice, especially in security monitoring, and just making sure you know exactly what is going on your S3 bucket and in your and on your resources, your AWS resources. So you can also forward, um, to different other places. So if you set up, okay, if you set up event notifications, you can create another event notification for, let's say, other services. So Lambda, SNS topic. This for event notifications is just three actually: Lambda function, SNS topic, and SQS. But then if you want more advanced configurations, you have to use Amazon Event Bridge. And Amazon Event Bridge actually goes through, I don't know how many services you can connect with Amazon Event Bridge, but I know that it's a lot. So let me just Google it here. Services, services that can be event bridge. So events boss targets. So AWS, I see the list of services. You can have event bridge send events to number of AWS service resources, like gateway, app sync, code build, code pipeline, ECS task, NSC streams, step functions, target parameters. Okay, target parameters are just things you want to like modify during the delivery. But yeah, it's a simple one and it's just to show a functionality, especially in architecting solutions in the cloud. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.